Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of the topic percentage. So, let us start. Question number 1. Express 43% as a ratio. The first of all, rewrite. We have 43%. The first of all, percentage convert into fraction. The when percentage convert into fraction, we divide by 100 and remove the symbol of percentage. Means 43 upon 100. Remove percentage here. The percentage convert into fraction and write in ratio. The 43 is to 100. Lastly, we convert 43% into 43 is to 100. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, express 7.5% as a ratio. The first of all, rewrite 7.5%. This percentage convert into fraction, so we divide by 100 and remove the sign of percentage. Is it clear? Next step, we remove the decimal. Yeah, also here remove decimal, so we write in denominator 10. We know that 25 3 ja 75 or 25 4 ja 100. So we get 3 upon 40 is equal to, write in ratio. So numerator write here 3 is to 40. So lastly, we convert 7.5% in ratio 3 is to 40. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, convert 37 is to 100 into a percentage. So we have 37 is to 100. First of all, this ratio in right fraction means 37 upon 100. And next step, in fraction we multiply 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Means 37 upon 100. We multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. 100 cancel out. We get 37%. Lastly, convert 37 is to 100 is equal to 37%. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, convert 3 is to 5 into a percentage. So we have 3 is to 5. The first of all, this ratio write into fraction, means 3 by 5. Fraction convert into percentage, so we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Means 3 by 5 into 100 and put the sign of percentage. 25 ja 100, 23 ja 60%. Lastly, we get 3 is to 5 is equal to 60%. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5. In question number 5, convert 45% into a decimal form. The first of rewrite 45%. This percentage convert into fraction. In this number we divide by 100 and remove the sign of percentage. So this percentage convert into फ्रैक्शन, लेकिन लास्टली वी चेंज इनटू डेसिमल फॉर्म. The here denominator 100. The put the decimal after 2 digit in right side. The 0.45. So lastly we get 45% is equal to 0.45 in decimal form. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6, convert 0.23% into a decimal form. The first rewrite 0.23%. Percentage convert into fraction, we divide by 100 and remove the sign of percentage. Completely write in fraction the 23 upon 100 into 100. Here 100 because remove the decimal and in denominator 100. That lastly write 23 upon 10,000. This convert into decimal the 0.0023 means put the decimal in right side after 4 digits 1 2 3 4. Is it clear? Lastly we get 0.23% is equal to 0.0023. Now let us discuss question number 7. In question number 7, convert 0.6 into a percentage. Here given 0.6. This decimal change into fraction. Write 6 by 10. Remove the decimal, put 10. These fractions convert into percentage. So we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. 0 cancel out, 6 into 10 60%. Clearly we get 0.6 is equal to 60%. Now let us discuss question number 8. In question number 8, convert 0.005 into a percentage. We have 0.005. This decimal convert into fraction means 5 upon 1000. Here decimal after 3 digit 1 2 3. So put here 3 digit is equal to 5 upon 1000 into 100 and put the sign of percentage. 0 cancel out. We get 5 by 10% means 0.5. When denominator 10, so put the decimal after 1 digit in right side 0.5%. Clearly 0.005 is equal to 0.5%. Now let us discuss question number 9. In question number 9, find 32% of 425. So we have 32% of 425. Percentage convert into fraction. So we divide by 100 and remove the sign of percentage. Of means multiply 425. So we know 25 ja 100 and 85 5 ja 425. Is it clear? 17 5 ja 85, 4 5 ja 20, 4 8 ja 32. We multiply 8 into 17. We get 136. Is it clear? Lastly, we find 32% of 425 is equal to 136. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 10. In question number 10, find 16 whole 2 by 3% of 16. The first of rewrite the question 16 whole 2 by 3% of 16. 16 whole 2 by 3 change into improper fraction. The 16 3 ja 48 a plus 2 50 upon 3. Percentage means 1 by 100. Of means multiply into 16. 52 ja 100. 2 8 ja 60. 2 8 ja 16. And lastly we get 8 upon 3. This improper fraction convert into mixed. So we get 3 2 ja 6. 2 whole 2 by 3. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 11. In question number 11, find 25% of 76. First of all, rewrite the question. 25% of 76 rupees is equal to 25%. Convert into fraction. The 25 upon 100 into 76. We know that 25 for ja 100 और 19 for ja 76. Is it clear? So we get lastly 19 rupees. Clearly we say 25% of 76 rupees equal to 19 rupees. Now let us discuss question number 12. In question number 12, find 8.5% of 5 kg. First of all, rewrite 8.5% of 5 kg. Kg means kilogram is equal to percentage convert into fraction. So we divided by 100. Of means multiply 5 kg. Here remove the decimal. The 85 upon 1000. Decimal after one digit, so put 10. 100 already given into. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Always remember. Here write 5 into 1000 gram. When in kilogram multiply by 1000, convert into gram. Here 30. The 30 cancel out. Here multiply 85 into 5. So 5 5 ja 25 carry 2. 5 8 ja 40 plus 2 42. So here lastly we get 425 gram. Clearly we say 8.5% of 5 kilogram is equal to 425 gram. Now let us discuss question number 13. In question number 13, find the number whose 6 whole 1 by 4% is 2. So let the required number Vx. Then the number whose 6 whole 1 by 4%. The number, here number is x, whose 6 whole 1 by 4% is 2. Again repeat. Find the number. Number will be x, whose 6 whole 1 by 4% is 2 is equal to 2. X into 6 whole 1 by 4 convert into improper fraction, we get 25 upon 4. Percentage, write 1 by 100 is equal to 2. 25 for ja 100. Here x into 1 x upon 4 into 4 16 is equal to 2. By cross multiplication, x is equal to 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Hence required number is equal to 32. I hope you will complete the exercise 10A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.